What am I doing, guys? What does this look like to you? I'm not going to say it because this is just getting started. But I'm essentially test fitting. And I hope it fits. This has taken just to get this far. It's been since November of last year, just to get this far. And this is just barely fitment test. So what else do I put on here? Let's just go. Oh, it fits. It's nice right there. A little dimples. Then you got up here. Oh, nice. Oh, I forgot this guy. I forgot the boot. I have to take that off. Let me see. Oh, nice. This guy too. This thing is cleaning. Take those clips off too. Get those off. Put this back in. This red is pretty loud. What do you think, Vic?
Yeah. It's good for demo though.
To see, well, we gotta see which one's which, you know?
Yeah.
Because otherwise it just looks like the same one. Dang, dude, this is popping in pretty nice. Oh, I forgot this was supposed to go in first. What does it matter? Okay. These four right here. Oh, I have two extra screws right here. Screw that on. That on. These four little guys. This is the first time I've been trying this, by the way. I had this for so far I think we had this for about a week. And I've just been putting it off a little because we're doing other projects. So this is my first test fit. I got two samples. One in black, which I want to get the texture finish, but this is just, I'm sure this is just for fitment first, and then we'll get to the texture finish. Whoa, this is like, dude.
That's fucking money.
Dude, what just dropped?
My pen.
Dude, this is good. And I made a little video back in November, and I never posted it. I never put it together. It was when I went to the factory. It's a mold injection factory in Vietnam. It was when I was looking for places to make stuff in Vietnam because making in China it was a little turmoil back then, and it became the trade wars and stuff. And then, and at the time I thought Vietnam was not going to be affected, but it did get affected. So I don't know. I don't think it matters anymore. But since I'm Vietnamese, my family's Vietnamese, I want made in Vietnam for once. My first product that might come out. Damn, this came out. Just need the texture. That's it, man.
Oh yeah, that's fucking sick,
Dude. Just like everybody else, I get excited like you guys do when new stuff comes out. You know, all we need to do is get this. I don't know what they call it, but when you get the
Greening.
it's not wrinkle finish, but whatever finish. But this is polypropylene. This is polypropylene. The tooling took. It's almost like what, since November to now. That's like 8 months, 9 months, 9 months to get tooling. Wish I could have 3D printed this shit, but whatever. This part I knew we needed because the texture we needed to have it in mold injection, polypropylene. Now I gotta test fit this black one and see if this one fits perfectly. And then there we go. Then look out for the future. Okay, thank you.